Hey guys, today I have come here, Jol Sattar market, to buy some pineapples. So let's go. Uh, do you have good pineapples?
Yeah, I have good pineapples. What kind of pineapples do you need? Green
Uh,
or ripe?
I need ripe pineapples.
Yeah, here is the ripe pineapples. You can buy it, and this looks so much ripe, and it would taste very delicious if you buy this, and I think you will find it very tasty.
Oh, so how much is this pineapple?
Yes, good types of pineapples are price is high. As you are come from here, and it will cost you only 35 takas.
Oh, it's much more. And will you give this pineapple 20 taka?
It's not much more. As it's the good pineapples, that's why its price is high. Or you can take it only 30 taka.
Okay, okay, no problem. Give this pineapple.
Yeah, you can take it, and I think you will have a good taste of it. So here it is.
Okay, okay, I'm giving money. Okay, here you are.
Oh, I have no access. Do you have access?
Yes, I have exchange. Take it.
Okay, take it. Okay, thank you so much for buying my pineapples.
Okay, thank you too.
Thank you for buying my pineapples. I think you have very taste and will come again.
Okay, thank you so much. See you again.
Thank you.
Okay. So guys, I have bought a lot pineapples and see you next time. Bye.